I'm happy saying that for my get together, but that won't happen. Let's say I get that makes the question switch. I'm not no lie.
Sweet, eh? It was a papaya.
You don't see that I stop. People say continue again. Say hold on.
Mama, it's sweet though. I wish someone did not go upstairs. Otega even came. I was shocked when I saw Otega saying his own shot. Because that's not his vibe.
Otega followed her.
He doesn't talk like that.
But Otega said he really wanted to play.
But Otega started the insult.
But what happened? What transpired?
So what happened was Otega and gave some people one meat, but they didn't know that the meat was not plenty. When they realized it wasn't plenty, they started saying, okay, let's then cut it into two.
Do you know what happens when we have a party? Isabella and her boyfriend will just go. One of his meat, one of his drink, they'll pack like half before the party starts. Yesterday, we just started.
Do you know the funny thing? She gave me a sip of her drink and it was pure gin. The whole thing. And I had to, anytime I wanted to take a shot, I would go to her to take because she didn't mix. You don't understand?
Do you want me to take my favorite?
It wasn't mixed.
It was that, yes. Get bow tie. I don't know.
Oh, wow.
So,
that is the guy just packed. I was like, no, what would you do? You can't. Babes never take this.
But I know they actually should share it into two. When I said they shared it into two, they were not like, oh, she wasn't like, that the one they gave both of them to share was bone. So she went to go and ask for another one. And I said, oh, no, that's what the fight started. But he now called her and said she's very empty. Now where the thing starts.
Oh, you just random.
Yeah, so she's empty.
That thing was hot.
I think when she...
I just feel like it wasn't necessarily transgender thing because...
It's Nigeria.
No, but you know, in Nigeria,
we don't want to look those ones. We use America, international this thing.